Synergy 28, one of our affinity groups for singles over 28, are planning a weekend getaway from Friday, May 22nd to Monday, May 25th. If you're interested, see Mayaku or Kelechi for all the details. Next week Sunday, we'll be having a special guest here with us. Dr. James Fidel is the Chairman Board of Provincial Pastors of the Redeemed Christian Church of God in North America. Trained as an engineer with a master's degree in operations research, an MBA, and a doctorate of ministry of transformational leadership. Dr. Fidel has grown RCCG NA from a fellowship in his house to over 700 churches in 55 zones. He is married to Pastor Manita Fidel, a medical doctor who will also be here with him. So make sure you're here. We know you are going to be blessed. Guess who will be in town this June? Reverend Funke Adetuberu. She'll be here from June 12 to Sunday, June 14. So make sure you're here and be expectant for a very special blessing. Our teen church, Ignited for Christ, is fired up for the youth conference coming up this July. The theme for this conference is Called to Duty, and the conference will be from Monday, July 6th to Friday, July 10th at Camp Womito in Maryland. The youth church leaders are planning this conference with the little resources they have. So if and when you're led to support, please do so. And support is also needed in planning and chaperones. Your bulletin has all the information, so check it out and support our next generation.